They back with an video, you see me? They upon Chef Black, same way. It's never in here now. As you see the title, what is some veggie patty. It's with pap chow. We still can't get no saltfish, so for this same way. You see me? I'm showing you pap chow now. See there? Pap chow. Yeah man, so stay tuned to the video. Leave a like, leave a comment on the video. Comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Yeah. Subscribe if you subscribe if you know. When not subscribe, you know. When not watch and not subscribe, you know. Subscribe man. When you share the video, the support man. I'm not asking for them money or them things. I want to do for me. I subscribe. That's simple and easy. Just click subscribe man and share the video. Tell somebody about me man. Yeah man, I'm a grower. So you're right. Follow my IG, Jeff876, and you guys have adventures. If you page them down below, so click it, go over there and give me a follow, because before I actually post on YouTube, I always post a snippet on IG. So all you from IG can know what I want first before it posts on YouTube. You see me? So just do it man, scroll along, click it, the link, go over there, give me a follow on YouTube page them. So soon come back. Cut up scallion, you don't know if you put it in scallion time, make it season up nice and taste good. Yeah, steaming first. I just half cookie.
Yeah.
I know people got a shop a while ago for buy curry, but no curry. So basically it's like a veggie loaf, you see me? Because it don't have the color like a patty again. So before it, give it a like. Yeah man. You see I put in the work out here to make sure so I don't get content. You might put in the work, so that's why I want them to share the video for me, because we are putting in the work. We are some video for job. Yeah man. There are enough more video to come. Enough more content way out of the box. Enough out of the box content forward man. So just subscribe and stay tuned and share it. You alone can't say them here. Share it out, and if you know about the channel and know what kind of video here, then cooking here and then style here, you see me? Yeah man, so just do it right. So kind of people, we are steamy pap chow. Half cook it and then make it finish cook, not the loaf. Yeah.
Yeah, go up on the floor and thing.
Yeah man, so see everything in the Maggi season, scallion, onion and thing there, yeah. I don't know. And see flour, you know. When you look at Maggi season, that means the flour are well nice. Yeah man. All who know about fried chicken, the flour, when I use fried chicken, they dip chicken in. Yeah, I don't know, so they normally season the flour there. See like this with the Maggi seasoning, normally we fry it after we're done fried chicken. The flour there normally nice. All who cook and fried chicken, number one style. Yeah man. The flour in the white again, the color, and nice. So right now I'm kind of anxious to taste this. The last one is bad. Now it's a part 2 for the one day. Yeah man. And it's enough more afterward man. Enough more. Right now we have some content for job. And when time we job them, and I tell them man, very mind blowing. And enough things I wish I make the recipe here. Even the pork and pap chow over there. We're first man do that. First person do that. Yeah man. Even the same Tim McLeod run down with the first person. Everything we do, we're first person to make them things. I make sure we're different. Create some different recipe, something exclusive, special. So if you know any kind of cooking here, them thing here, they forward here so. Which are we there? Because we alone are doing kind of cooking here. And we show you so when you can try at home, but you don't know so the flavor we have, like we have, only not achieve that because I don't know say everybody cook different. If me give everything on me use cook and cook the same thing, feel not take different from my work because everybody taste different. Yeah man, so I'll show you now the dough I make now. So I'll flip the camera around and show you how I go on. Yeah man, see what I go on there. Want to leave in the comment section and tell me who can knead the flour with spoon. No person can do that. Yeah man, see there some person walk on there. So all the girls them way have all the long fingernails, have to learn a style there.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah man. Cause I don't know say you can't knead dumpling and flour stick up on the fingernail. The long something there.
Yeah, so you have to keep that style there.
Yeah. I always wonder when you been long fingernail, how they clean themselves good? Cause they can't wipe themselves good. So people come below, any female can come below and tell me, oh they clean when they have a long fingernail daily, like a push claw.
And then again, a such pie, you know. They will cut out that.
It's not me now because of that thing. So I don't know people. I check him back when time I make a dumpling them. The dough. You have to put it in the filling, the pop chow. Yeah man, see over there so. Soon come back. It's kind of about you know.
Yeah, back around with it. Back around wash out. Can't take off.
So I have to watch out for bucking the people. Can't answer that everything them.
Yeah.
See the people. So I don't know, so this is basically ready to put night. So I go on there now. So the fatty up good now. But it's a flour the center stick company and the buckle.
For the...
You have to cover center stick company.
You can't eat that, huh?
So you flat and nice. So it's in the tier. It begins to thick.
Yeah.
It thick so you can't taste so easy. Or it's like you hot already if you get served.
Put some flour in it.
So I'm going to be first one gonna pot. So tea back again. And you can smell the dry the same way. I just know people can see him so. Put a little juice in there. So people are checking back for when time we done. Because we don't see the virgin, don't see up with already. Or I can't wait for this done. Anxious. So I'm gonna see the pop cook already, or just the flour to cook. And the flour cook, we're done and I can same time. But do you want to drink with jelly with the drink come? So still taking back. So I turn in time and now. I can drink, you know. Go on, man. So guys, this is the first one. Yeah. I'll show the pattern now. Yeah man, them one look better. So the first one. I see a piece more dough in it. And see there? So we can make one more. So now that'll be 5, 2, 4. Yeah. That's true. Alright guys. So I consume time soon, so I consume time. I don't make anxious for taste what I go on. It's in because I'm raw, I'm hungry. Yeah, so what I consume now, show you what I go on and give you my review on it. So soon come back. Right, guys, so the first one and spaghetti with some jelly. Jelly. That's how it's not bad. Full circle back. Right now, even rain, I pass about now. Rain, guys, rain. Blessings are coming, no? You see this guy, he well sharp, you know, finger gone, well sharp, you know, so make sure I put it out of reach. Alright guys, so don't start burning, but yeah, that's the one. I want money for all the things, see me? So, I shell down now with the one jelly we have left, and so I'm soon come back. So people, yeah, obviously I can't talk about inside stuff and nice, man. Yeah.